Today, I'll be meal prepping, blueprint style. First, drink your water, okay? Need to stay hydrated during this process. What's on the menu? I'll be prepping super veggie, nutty pudding, and chickpea curry over greens. I haven't tried the chickpea curry yet. I'm excited. It looks delicious. So, let's get to it. I purchased a different macadamia nut brand, EVOO. Let's try it. It's good. Dry roasted unsalted, and I will link this and all the ingredients to these recipes below in the description. So as you may or may not already know, it's optional to add pea protein powder. I got this brand, Micro Ingredients, and I actually really like it. It's quite unflavorfully tasty. Yeah, it doesn't really have a big flavor, but what it does have, it's enjoyable. So I do 2 scoops of the protein powder on the pudding. And then some delicious fresh raspberries on top. So good. So obviously meal prepping, it's prepping. It takes a lot of work, but like this work has payoff. I feel so good when I eat these meals, and I feel energized and like I have strength to get through my workday. And I'm constantly moving in my current role, So these satiating meals get me through, and they're tasty. What I really like about Blueprint is it is a system, and it's backed by science and research. I'm sure there's so many other systems and formulas of nutrition and eating and science, but this is cool. I just find it so cool, and it takes a lot of work out of the equation for me. Like, we're all so busy in our lives. I'm a busy single mom, literally working to support 2 in the Bay Area. Yes. While still discovering who I am. You don't ever really stop learning. Like, I like to learn, I like to grow, I like to evolve as a human being. So every year, every month, every day, there's the opportunity to grow and change and adapt. I'm very adaptive, and it's all good stuff. But I like that these are clean, meals made with whole, fresh ingredients that make my body and my brain feel good. I'm gonna swap out the cauliflower for asparagus. That's what I have fresh on hand, and then the broccoli. And I know, people have suggested because I don't really love the taste of lentils, they've suggested that I try different kinds of lentils, different colors. Maybe there's one I'll like. Maybe. I'm curious too. But you know what? I bought the 12 count from Amazon of the black lentils. Like, what were you thinking? I wasn't. I was just like, add to cart, 12 pack. So essentially, since I have about 10 more of these, I will not let them go to waste. All right, here we have it. Look at all that green. Lots of green. So this chickpea curry tastes awesome. I love the flavors in this. I'll put this on my salad tomorrow for lunch. So I'm gonna put it over the greens, and there's cilantro in there. And then, yeah, my super veggie's looking a little bit different. This time, I did forget to get mushrooms. Oops. But, you know, we're gonna go for these lentils again. I hope this will be filling enough. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, and then I'm gonna put some hemp hearts on the super veggie. And there is lunch and dinner for tomorrow. All right, there you have it. Thank you so much for meal prepping with me, blueprint style. And I hope you try some of these recipes yourself and enjoy them.